Hello there, Robert Stack back at it again, and I decided to do another unboxing since I got more computer parts for myself. Today is the Noctua NF-A9 PWN fan. So this is a 92mm Chromax Noctua fan. I got it because I got a new motherboard, a new CPU and everything, and the problem with this new motherboard was that the fan headers were too far away from that the cables could not reach it from the front, the intake fan. So as a temporary measure, I basically got this old Molex fan as the intake fan, but the problem with that is it always spins at 100%. So I was like, I gotta get a new fan. Anyway, they were kind of old. So I decided to, yeah, I'm getting a new intake fan, and the cable here is hopefully long enough to reach the front. I don't think I'm gonna do a show where I install it. Maybe I will, but probably not. So let's just unbox this. There doesn't seem to be any plastic or anything like that. There's some stickers there, so I'm gonna set this camera here while I use two hands this time. How do you unbox this? Is there something that's holding it down, or I don't want to use too much force. So, alright, something's holding it from being open or something. Why doesn't it open? Alright. So, is that how you do it? Why won't it open? It was a little bit tight. Alright, it was a little bit tight to open it, but I managed. So, let's see what you get inside. So there's the meat of the product, the fan itself, probably why, let's be honest, which is what you want. There's nothing there, so alright, so underneath there came this thing. So there's the fan, and so how do you take that? I'm just gonna leave it there. Here's the anti-vibration thing. So why is there only one, or is there more here? Swappable, and so there's some of them here, and then there's others here. Here's the cable. Yeah, I'm not sure how long it is, but at least it seems to be long enough. Kind of pain in the ass to take it out of here, though. Is there a way for me to do it? I'm not really that easily. There's no instructions or anything, really. Can I take it out? This side, come on, let it out. Well, I almost got it out. But there it is. There's the fan. Let's unbox this. This will probably contain more of those anti-vibration things, if I can do this with one hand. Alright, I was able to. So yeah, here's this. I think, yeah, it includes the screws as well. So yeah, here's the screws, anti-vibration things and such. Here's the fan itself. Anyway, thank you for watching. And I think I will do a couple more unboxing videos in the future, but I will try to get back to gameplay. I actually did record one, but the problem is my capture card just would work with it. I have another capture card, so hopefully that will work. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.